Here is another integration problem. This one looks in the exponents form. So first step we're going to do is use substitution. So let's say u is equal to ex. Then du should be ex dx, right? So here in the question, we have e2x. Can we write it as ex dx? e2x plus 3ex plus 2. I'm splitting because this ex dx can be replaced by du. Okay, so this ex outside is u. These together are du divided by e2x basically means u square here plus 3 times u plus 2. Now if you see, this is a fraction problem. So the fraction is u by u square plus 3u plus 2. We can factorize the denominator as u plus 1 times u plus 2. This becomes partial fractions problem because our integrand now is into the fraction format. So we can write it because if you notice, the denominator is two linear factors which are not repeated. So that means this can be written as a divided by u plus 1 plus b divided by u plus 2. Only difference is now the variable is u instead of x. Let's make the common denominator. That would be u plus 1 times u plus 2. For making the common denominator, a will have to be multiplied by u plus 2. b will have to be multiplied by u plus 1. On the left hand side, we have u divided by u plus down. Both sides have the same common denominator, so that means numerators should be same. That should be true. This should be true for all u. That means it should be true for, say, sorry, the typo here, plus 1. Let's put u equal to negative 1. Where did I get this? From this factor. If I put u equal to negative 1, left hand side is negative 1 equal to a times negative 1 plus 2 because I'm replacing u by negative 1 plus b times negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So this factor is just 0. Negative 1 equal to negative 1 plus 2 is 1, just a. So we figured out that a is negative 1. Let's try another. We have to find both a and b. Okay, so let's try another number. Let's say this should also be true for negative 2. So I'm putting negative 2 in place of u is equal to a times negative 2 plus 2 is 0 plus b times negative 2 plus 1. Negative 2 is equal to negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So negative b. B is equal to 2. So we have found both a and b. So using this a's value and b's value, we can write this integral as integral of a by, so negative 1 by u plus 1 plus b by, b is 2 divided by u plus 2. Integrated with respect to u. We can separate them out. Du plus integral 2 can factor out du. For the formula of this formula for the linear factor in the denominator, the formula is ln of ax plus b divided by a outside plus c. In this case, the coefficient of u is just 1. That means this should be negative natural log of u plus 1 plus 2 natural log of u plus 2 plus c. Now remember, we have this power rule flux. This 2 can actually go here. And this can be written as negative natural log of u plus 1 plus log of u plus 2 whole square plus c. And also this basically is this minus this. Therefore, this can also be written as log of u plus 2 whole square divided by u plus 1 plus c. We are almost done, but notice in the starting the question was in terms of x. This is in terms of u. So you do need your final answer. You have to write it in the terms of ex. So replace u back to ex. This should be your final answer.